Hey, good morning, everyone. Can you confirm? Audible or not? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So, any thoughts? I asked you to come up with your thoughts, right? Okay, do you have any thoughts on this? So, yesterday, what we discussed, our application is like very, known requirement only. Okay, employee management system. So, how many roles? One is like super admin is nothing but in this case, our product owner. The next one is like admin. The next one is like employee. That employee can be a manager, a director, a lead, a developer, whoever it may be. All are come under to this particular organization. They are like employees only or not. Yes or no? So applications wise, okay, it is only the requirement. Okay, applications wise, how many? First, if you want to start this application, you have to complete this module or not first. Okay, let's think. Super admin is like one module. Okay, this admin and employee come under one application. So first you have to complete this super admin module or not. Yes or no? So tell me, from back end, how many services are required? From back end, how many services? Come on, from back end, how many services?
Super admin one month.
Super admin, anyway, that is required your product. Okay, super admin is required for the product owner, I mean. Next.
Admin.
Okay, the next one is like employee. Okay, employer and employee. Okay, employer and employee. So here also you can split it. Employer, okay, is nothing but admin application is required. The next one is like okay, your user. Okay, employee. These three applications we can create or not? Yes or no? Okay, so from the back end, I want to create these three services. Okay, one is like microservices, you can say. One is like super admin, one service, and admin is like one service, and the employee is like one service. Okay, but I want, okay, one team worked on super admin, just think like that. Okay, they created the endpoints with REST. They created their endpoints with what? REST endpoints they created. REST endpoints they created. One more person, okay, one more team worked on admin module. One more team worked on admin module. Okay, they actually, okay, one more person worked on admin module. They actually created endpoints like a GraphQL. Okay, and this guy, some are like REST, some are like GraphQL. Okay, so here also GraphQL. So there has multiple applications. Some of the applications we created the endpoints like a REST endpoint. Some of the applications we created like a GraphQL endpoints. Some of the applications we created like a GraphQL endpoints. Okay, so my question is, if my application, if my front end application, okay, front end application, super admin, one application I want to create, admin, one application I want to create, employee, one application. Otherwise, most of the times, okay, front end, my admin and employee come under same organization only or not? Yes or no? Employer and employee, yes or no? Okay, here in the back end, you can split it. Okay, if you come to the front end, okay, role based authentication. Okay, role based. Okay, if you log in like an employer, I want to show some access. Okay, that one I want to give like some kind of access to you. If you logged in like an employee, I want to give like a certain kind of access to you. So if you come to the front end, okay, I want to create, okay, super admin app. Okay, the next one is like, okay, here employee management system app. Okay, I want to create super admin, and this is our front end actual application. This guy talk with how many microservices? This particular front end application talk with how many microservices? And this guy talk with how many microservices?
Super admin can access only super admin.
Yeah, super admin can see, okay, how many employees, okay, that means how many employers registered. Each and every employee is like contains how many employees, something like this. He has the, okay, he has the rights to access or not, see the data or not, possibility is there or not there. This EMS, employee management system application, okay, admin microservice can access and employee microservices also can access or not. Yes or no? Come on, my front end application can access admin microservices. This same application can access employee microservices also or not. Yes or no? Come on. So my EMS application, okay, this is actual my organization is going to maintain. This is my employee management system application. There has multiple microservices or there. This is my front end. This is my client application or this is my reactive app. This guy want to talk with one of the microservice called as, what is that? Come on, employee. Okay, otherwise admin. Another one is like employee, right? Yes or no? They want to talk with these two microservices. Employee. Admin has their own database. That's okay. You can create your own database. Admin has their own database. This is the one. My admin has their own database or not. Yes or no? My admin has their own DB. So the next one is like my admin has their own DB. The next one is like the employee service also has their own DB. Just think like that. Now my front end application, if I logged in like a admin, that guy has to talk with this backend service. If I logged in like a employee, this guy talk with this backend service or not. For example, if there has multiple microservices or there, then that time, okay, is it recommended to connect directly with different endpoints? Okay, that means different URLs. This one, this backend application is running in my local host 2021. This backend application I supposed to run localhost 2022. There has one more application also there. Okay, that is running on localhost 2023, something like this. Localhost 2023. Understood everyone? Localhost 2023. Okay, now these many microservices are there. If my client application talk with this guy or this guy or this guy, tell me how my front end application communicate with the back end application using which technique? Ajax, right? So if you want to send an Ajax request, what mandatory inputs are required to you?
URL and request method.
Request method and URL. This is okay, one service. The URL is what? Localhost 2021 slash something. This is the one, localhost 2022 slash something. Like this, how many URLs you need to maintain here? How many URLs you need to maintain? That is depending upon your services, what you want to talk or not. Yes or no? Come on. That is depending on the services. Okay, what you want to talk or not. Yes or no? Agree with me? Come on, tell me. So instead of maintaining all these services, shall we do one thing? Okay, can we take, okay, can we change a little bit in the architecture? Can we take one more wrapper here? Can we take one more wrapper here? Yes or no? Can we take one more wrapper here? Now tell me, my front end application talk with whom? My front end application talk with whom?
Server application.
Directly service, directly this guy, this wrapper, this
Wrapper.
wrapper or not. Now if you want to talk with this guy, okay, the url the URL and request method is required. Client wanted to talk any other application, URL and request method is required. So but here in this case, okay, he just want to talk with one person only. Okay, there is no need to talk with all the microservices or not. Now what happened? My client application talk with this application. This application is going to dispatch your request to that particular microservices or not. Like that, I want to configure something in this particular wrapper. Understood everyone? Got my point?
Good.
This is a kind of Apollo Federation architecture. It is a kind of Apollo Federation architecture. Why? Because whenever you have the GraphQL endpoints, okay, multiple services, there is hundreds of services nowadays we are going to use in our applications. Why? Because, okay, the architecture is like completely changed. Every requirement, every small requirement just we created like one microservice, just we are going to deploy or not. Yes or no? In this case, the microservices are like keep on incrementing. These services maintain in my client application. It is very difficult to us. One or two, okay, I can manage. One that is simple. One URL, I can hard code somewhere, I can. But microservices is like, okay, keep on incrementing or not. Yes or no? Got my point? Whenever these services are like incrementing, okay, that is like extra burden to maintain that particular address of each and every service or not in my client application. That's the reason. Just I want to go with what? Just I want to go with what? This Apollo Federation architecture. Got my point up to here, okay?
That architecture, it will behave as a kind of gateway, sir.
Yeah, it's a kind of gateway, you can say. Yeah, now if you observe here, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, this is the one. Usually my client application just want to talk with multiple services. Each and every service has their own database. That's okay, fine. Now, if my client application want to talk with the users, just he go with the users. The users created like what? REST GraphQL. They created like a REST endpoints. That's okay. Now this one GraphQL one. This one is like a GraphQL one. Now, if you don't have any wrapper, okay, you supposed to be directly connect with these people or not? Yes or no? This is actual structure, but we don't want to go with that one. Now, if you observe this one, my client application, in between there has one wrapper. Okay, it is like route your request to that particular applications or not. Yes or no? So now my client application talk with these applications directly, or it is talk with your router? Now it is talk with the router or not? Yes or no? We talk with the router or not? So my client application send a request to the router. My router is going to dispatch the request to whom? My router is going to dispatch the request to whom? That particular service or not? Understood? This is the architecture we are going to follow as part of our sessions. It's like Apollo Federation architecture. Okay, here we can say these all are like subgraphs. These all are like a subgraphs, and this one, okay, we can say the entire application we can say like a super graph, and this one we can say, as you said, it's a gateway. See, whenever we combined multiple GraphQL APIs, not only GraphQL APIs, if you want to combine multiple, okay, APIs, that may be REST API, that may be a GraphQL API, that may be a REST, or that may be a GraphQL. If you want to combine multiple APIs, okay, multiple GraphQL APIs in a single federation, in a single federated graph, okay, that is called as a super graph. See, there is multiple APIs over there, multiple GraphQL or REST endpoints, we combined as a single federated graph, okay, single federated graph. That single federated graph we can say like a super graph, terminology wise. Understood? Got my point? In this particular supergraph application, okay, the API calls whatever you have, those we can say, okay, that means whatever you have the services, microservices, those we can say like a subgraphs. Okay, terminology wise, three things we need to: gateway, okay, the next one is like supergraph, the next one is like a subgraph. Whenever different services you combined as like a federated graph, that application we can say like a super graph. Which microservices you combined, those microservices we can say like a subgraph. Here the routing, whatever my client communicate with the router application, that router application we can say like a gateway. That router application we can say like a gateway. Got my point? Up to you, okay? This kind of architecture we are going to develop. Any questions so far?
So this Apollo Federation architecture, I can apply for Java also, right?
Yeah,
Java 5.
any. You can write multiple Java endpoints, okay. But this Apollo Federation, it's related to GraphQL, but okay, whatever you have the REST endpoints, you can convert the REST endpoints into GraphQL. Okay, now here we created like what? Our microservices, okay. First one is like REST, na? Second one is like GraphQL, third one is like GraphQL, right? So my REST endpoints you can develop, no problem. Just this REST endpoints you have to convert into GraphQL. How to convert, we'll see that. Got my point?
Yes.
So this structure we can follow. Okay, then the next one. Okay, now my front end, how many applications are required? One is like a super admin, that's completely separate. Okay, next one is like employee management system. This is actually our product we are going to sell to our organizations or not. Yes or no? Agreed? Up to you, okay? Okay, then now come to the database. Database wise, every service you can create one DB, no problem at all. Okay, that particular person just talk with the service, that is not an issue. Okay, every service you can talk. Okay, for example, okay, the first one is like super admin. Okay, here you can create like super admin DB, the next one is like admin DB, the next one is like employee DB, something like this you can. Okay, now and one more thing, if you want to do the, okay, if you want to communicate one service another service, yes, okay, all the service from here only, right? Just within a single request, you can get some data from this service, you can get some data from this service also. Why? Because how many services are there? For example, here there has 10 GraphQL endpoints are there. Okay, here 20 GraphQL endpoints are there. Here 5 REST endpoints are there. These all, okay, where it is like combined as a federated graph, right? Where it is like combined, 10 plus 20 plus 5, there is 25 plus 10, 35. Okay, all are combined as like a federated graph or not? Yes or no? So my client application, if they want to talk this application or this application, it's not a problem for me. All are like combined or not. So this is like easy for me to consume the data, okay, from this service and this service or this service, wherever you want, you can consume it or not. Yes or no? Sometimes if you want in a single request, I need data from here and here, that is also will work. Understood? Up till okay, everyone? Any questions? Okay, then. Now the responsibilities, tell me now, one by one. Okay, just think and tell. Super admin. Super admin responsibilities. What he is going to do? What kind of endpoints you need to develop? Super admin.
Get organization details we can.
Get organization details.
Register organization.
Yeah, first of all, okay, super admin. Okay, he is the person, right? The subscriptions and everything he is going to handle with the employer or not? Yes or no? Okay, here the organization or employer registration he is going to do or not? Yes or no? Employer registration, not only registration, okay, the subscription just he is going to, okay, maintain. Based on their subscription, just we need to give the access or not to that application. Yes or no? Okay, so organization details he is going to maintain, organization is going to register. Okay, next, okay, some details if you want to update. So subscription is like expired, just again the renewal, then okay, we need like what, we need to update that one or not. Okay, the contract was ended, so that they don't want to continue with us to the next level. So okay, that client has to delete or not. The next one is like, as a super admin, okay, how many clients, okay, that means how many clients I have, how many people are like using my product, I want to know. That time just you can go with what, retrieving or not? Yes or no? Up to here, okay? So for good. Okay, next, any other? Next one.
It should be there.
Organization.
It should be there in payment. It will it covers the payment payroll information, HR information.
Yeah, that one we can add it. That one we can add it. Okay.
We are giving as a super product, right? Super admin, he has to give that option, either payroll option, he can use as a his product.
Yeah, that is okay. That is a future in our EMS application, right? Those people can use directly. Those people can use directly. Otherwise, okay, there has hundreds of futures or there you developed. Okay, some of the futures only the organization people want. That time you can control from here. Okay, in our case, the EMS, okay, we are going to note it down what kind of operations we need to take care. Okay, that one also we can do it, but in this case limited futures only. All the futures we are going to give it to the EMS application. Here, for example, you are the product owner, I am the client. Okay, I have few questions. That means I have some queries over there. I can raise the query or not. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, that communication channel. Okay, communication channel. Okay, we have to maintain between the client and my super admin or not. Okay, client raise some requests or queries. Okay, that time you are the person to resolve and you have to give the reply. All these things you need to do it or not. Yes or no?
Yes.
So the next one.
So creating admins.
Yeah, this is the organization registration. Organization here, admin, right?
Okay.
Organization registration. Now I want to integrate some chatbots also. Okay, that means some AI related. Some AI related. For example, okay, just okay, I want to get like some notifications kind of. Okay, this particular person is like subscription is going to end within 10 days. Okay, just communicate with them. Okay, something like this, we need to drop automatically some message, something like this. Okay, through AI I need some suggestions. Okay, through one agent, AI agent. Okay, to my super admin application. Okay, admin, okay, should get some updates on daily basis. Okay, here, okay, one person we can take it, that guy is going to give the notifications or something like that. Okay, for that, okay, you need some Python knowledge. Okay, we'll see that one. Okay, that kind of feature also we can add it or not. Yes or no? Next. Any other this person is going to do? High level these only or not? Okay, this is the person maintaining the registering the organization. Now you can come to the
Reports point of view, sir, it will cover under review.
which one?
Report, if you want to get any report.
Yeah, reports. So that is common, right? Reports. So, okay, once you created okay this application, he logged in. Okay, dashboard we are going to show now. In the dashboard, okay, we will see the graphical representation. Visualization. Okay, graphical representation. Okay, how many people are like, okay, how many organizations registered, that kind of graphical representation just I want to show whenever the admin logged in into this application or not. Okay, okay, now the next one is like reports. You said reports. Okay, this is the super admin one. Next, admin role. Tell me, admin role. Admin role.
Register employee.
Yes, employee registration. Okay, same this one, right? Employee registration. What kind of fields required? We can think about that one, but employee registration is required. Next, employee registration is required. Next, one. What details you are like an employee, which details my organization people is like track. Okay, the next thing is like your okay appointment letter, okay, your relieving letter, your experience letter. These all whenever you registered, okay, those people maintaining like your details, how your details maintaining when you join, what is your role, all these things we are going to maintain or not. So based on that one, day one they are going to give like a appointment letter. Whenever you like, okay, just you resigned, you are going to leave that company, that time they are going to give some documents to you or not, relieving letter, okay, these all. So the documents also I want to prepare it dynamically. I want to prepare it like dynamically. Understood? Next.
IT, sir.
Which one?
IT team will maintain all these things, right? Like entry, exit, formalities. So
IT team.
yeah.
Yeah, those people. Okay, here. Okay, finance team, IT team, all there, right? Okay, in this also we can maintain. Okay, but high level just we can. Any other?
For this admin also, you need to show dashboard and the reports also, right?
Yeah, dashboard is like common. Dashboard is like common. Okay, reports also common, right? Reports also common or not? Next. Next. Any other things they are going to? Okay, simple. Okay, in our company, what my organization people are like doing. Okay, just these only, right? Okay, day one they registered. Okay, registered our, okay, they registered employee and they given like username and password. Okay, they release the, okay, they given like a, okay, offer letter is different, appointment day one they are going to give like appointment letter. Offer letter also you can, from here only we can generate offer, appointment, and experience letter and relieving letter. All these things we can generate dynamically on our letterhead. Just we can send like a short soft copy, otherwise we can print like a, okay, hard copy also your wish. Dashboard you can maintain, okay, which details the entire application, what you want to, okay, perform. Those all are like a graphical representation you have to show. Okay, the next one is like a report. So just I want to, okay, see the reports here, employee level reports. Any other? Okay, we can add, okay, if you get some idea later we can add it. The next one is like employee term. This is easy for us, on daily basis we are going to do, right?
Login.
Sorry, login. Okay, login is common for, okay, here also login is required. Okay, here also login is required. These all are like common, right? Login. On next, change password. Yes, sir. The next, forgot for password. These are like same for all. Super admin, he is the person maintaining his details and everything in the database. Okay, he no need to register. Okay, just this person register himself in the DB or not. Yes, sir. Separate registration is not required for super admin. Got my point? Login, change password. The next one is what? Forgot password. Next.
Maintain profile also.
Yeah, once you log in, okay, profile we need to maintain, okay, all your information you can see there. Next.
Check his status.
Which status?
Just like salary, some
Yeah, pay slips. Okay, next.
Leave, then you can
Leave.
up leaves of
Leaves. Okay, apply leaves. Leave management, right? Next.
time.
Time sheet. Based on that one only, right? My space slips is going to generate. Okay, next.
Leaves can be like in profile only. We can able to implement leaves, right? Like everything in profile only, we can able to implement the leaves.
Yeah, the thing is
Time sheet.
like profile we can show as like one tab, or otherwise whenever the user logged in, okay, the icon, if I click on the icon, we can show the profile. Okay, when if you want to apply the leaves, okay, just I need like a separate form, this day to this day, something like this we need, right? Yes, sir.
In time sheet only, we can implement leaves. And then
Second, can you repeat again? Can you repeat? Hello?
Yeah, we can use.
Again. Okay. Next, time sheet filling. Next,
for access, so if you want to raise any access for the application
yeah,
or
request if
access
you
for
want to access.
Zira
Okay,
dashboard.
yeah, request access. Okay, anything if you want. Okay, it's like raise requests, right? Requests. One. Okay, any concern is there to the manager? Just he has to send a request, right? Yes, sir. He is going to approve this kind of leave also come under one kind of request only. Other than request, okay, other than leaves, okay, if you want any other things also, just you can add it or not. Okay, this is come under this one only. Okay, leave request, some other request also you can do it. The next one is like, okay, organization chart. Okay, it's nothing but, okay, your high level, who is the manager? Okay, your that manager reporting to who? Okay, how many people reporting to you? Okay, that kind of organization chart, organization structure also I want in the restructure something like this or not? Yes or no?
Yes, goals also implement.
Yeah, goals, all these things, okay, we can set as like one form, that's it. Okay, every financial year, every year, just we are going to set some goals. So it's a kind of form, just add some details and save that one. Okay, that is like editable for the manager. Okay, view for employee. Yes, no?
No.
Okay, next.
Log out also required. Okay.
Login, logout functionality, all are like here only, right? Logout. Okay. This once you log in, obviously the logout functionality have to implement, right? Next.
Training, sir.
Yeah, the trainings and everything, it's a kind of notification to the employees, right? Okay, just if you want to send one notification to all the employees, mailing kind of, okay, today we have some training. Okay, that is also come under request only. Okay, if you want to, okay, just want some sessions, training sessions, something like this, that is we are going to requesting to our manager only, right? Yes, sir. Hmm?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, just you can come up with your next level, any other things are there, you can come up with that. Okay, now just I want to start my development now. I want to start my development now tell me first what you want me to do. First, our application is what you have to create.
Super admin.
Yes, super admin application or not? First you have to create a super admin application. My super admin application front end we are going to use like React. Super admin front end we are going to use like a React, and my back end node with GraphQL or node with REST, whatever it may be. Okay, here you can put like GraphQL, and here two more services are there, na? Admin and employee. Admin you can say like a REST, employee you can say like a GraphQL, something like this we can manage. That is your wish. Okay, with the Apollo Federation architecture. Why? Because okay, there has two more applications, two more services also I want to create. All are like I want to federate it in a single graph. Okay, I want to combine within a single application or not. So this is my backend is like node with the GraphQL. The next one is like okay, my React and node with GraphQL. There has one more application also required or not? Yes or no? That is what? Come on, that is what? My gateway application or not? Yes or no? My React is communicated with this backend application directly. Now my React is going to communicate with gateway now.
Gateway.
Gateway. My gateway is going to route to your backend application or not. Now in this particular gateway, okay, how many applications, how many services you can register? You can register any number of services based on your requirement. Understood everyone? Okay, the next one is like okay, your database is like MongoDB is my database. MongoDB is my database. So this is our technology stack. This is our technology stack. So overall, three applications you have to create. One is like your front end application by using React. Another one is like your gateway application by using Node.js only. By using JavaScript only, I want to create the gateway application. The next one is like I want to create a backend application by using Node.js. Okay, that is okay. Our actual GraphQL endpoints we are going to write. Our actual functionality is this one. Here nothing. It's a kind of simple route. That's it. Okay, the next one is like database. Now here the federated graphs are there na? Okay, this subgraphs not only REST to GraphQL, you can create different okay, the services with different technologies also. Okay, I mean, see this one you created by using Node.js GraphQL, Node.js GraphQL, Node.js REST. Instead of Node.js, I can go with Java also. Irrespective of technologies, we can combine it in a single federated graph. That is also works. Okay, here not only simply okay, technology is like same. The services, that endpoints is like REST to GraphQL. Not only that one, you have created like one application with Java, another one is like Kotlin, another one is like Node.js. Those applications, those services also you can combine within a single federated graph. You can combine within a single federated graph. That combined single federated graph, you can say like a super graph. Whatever we combined, those we can say like a subgraphs. Okay, who is like route, that guy we can say like a gateway application. Understood? Already great. Up to here, okay, everyone? Okay. Okay, then we'll continue on things in the next session. Okay, for now, just you can go through and try to prepare a small kind of document. Because okay, you supposed to be do these things. Okay, I'm going to tell one part 50%, 50% you have to do from your end. From your end. Okay, you have to work with me. Every day we are going to give some okay, some part I completed. From there itself you have to continue. You have to continue. Okay, na? Any questions, anyone? Okay, then. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining. Any questions? Anyone?
Sir, Anish here. Please check my access again, sir. I'm not
Yeah,
able to.
we checked. Okay. Did you use like two emails or same email only?
I use my
Anywhere in the middle, did you change it?
no.
Do not
I
change it.
use my mobile number and the email ID I gave you. Seeing
Same
access there.
only. They want to
Yes.
tell. Okay, but first in the past you got an access, right? Now just removed. Huh?
Past year, once I asked to do that time I get the access. And then after that, again,
Okay, that means you not enrolled that course. Okay, okay, I will tell you. Okay, today we can connect. Okay, I'll check. They
okay, sir.
checked, but that's not worked out. They said. Okay.
Thank you. Because yesterday I tried, it's giving the error like OTP is not coming. So yesterday I'm not
Yeah,
able to
yeah.
check.
There is a service issue. Is there OTP that is going to resolve this weekend?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
And one more thing is like, can you enroll to this course all or okay, so that you can get like the videos and everything here only. Okay, this is the MERN, right? Just enroll now.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
all just enroll so that the demo videos and everything you can get it. Node.js
okay, sir.
separate, this one is separate. Just you can enroll from here. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, now itself you can do that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then. Thank you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.